We're back from cutting the tree, and what we like to do is just clean up the saw a little bit so it's ready to go for next time. So that's what we're trying to do here. A lot of mud. Yeah, mud. Woo-hoo. Toothbrush, see if we can clean out some crap underneath. Let's see how the chain's looking here. We'll see, we have to pull the alright. There's probably quite a bit of crap in there. Well, what are we thinking? Is it time to open her up and clean it out? Probably. Let's see how we do. We'll just have us a quick look, see how bad the insides is. Maybe we'll just put it back on. Let's have a look. Not too bad. Let's just clean out some of this stuff. Chain off. Not too bad in there. Back on. Make sure we put the cutters on the right way. Put the chain on backwards once, it doesn't work very well. I guess I'm going to have to rethink that there. This has to go on first. There we go. Drop it in. Couple of nuts go on. Couple of nuts go on. tea. Probably got a long way to go. Maybe not so long now, you know. Alright. Let's back this off a bit. Let's tighten her up. Yeah, see a little more. Alright, she looks good. Turn her all the way up. Alright. And last part is some gas and oil. So let me go get that. Well, not much left in there. I guess we did a lot of sawing today. And I would imagine the oil will need some oil too. Yeah, half. That's usually what it is. Every second gas should need more oil, but we'll top her off. Alright, there we go. Should be ready to go next time we need it. Alright, we used our pole saw quite a bit yesterday, and I think we used it some before that without a good cleaning, so let's see how much of a cleaning it needs. That's a captive nut. Let's see what we have. Whoa, yummy, yummy. I guess we gotta spend a little time and clean this out. There we go. All gummy yummies. Gummy yummy yummies. And especially I found in winter time when the oil is thicker, it gums up a lot sooner in here. Where's my Chewy? Well, it did run well when we were using it, but when I first got this, Yeah, I bought it from a local steel distributor. Didn't come with a whole lot of directions. Read the instruction manual. Ignored most of the stuff, I guess. Probably shouldn't have. But I used it a couple times. And then I would go to put it on machine and start the machine, and the machine like wouldn't start. Like you hit it starts up, you hit the throttle, it wouldn't do anything. So I took it back to the dealer and looked it all over, said it was perfectly fine. Brought it home, same thing. What the hell? So I decided to figure out what was going on. I took this thing apart. This thing was totally caked, embedded, thick mud, not mud, but oil and saw chips in that, to the point where the chain wouldn't even move. It's like, I took it to the guy, I paid him money. He didn't even take the frickin' head off of the thing or do anything. He just said it was fine. So, needless to say, I don't take it back to that place anymore. I think they're out of business. So now, if it's not every time, it's at least every other time, I like to take this apart and get all the crap off of it so it runs better. I think the Bills must be winning today, because I hear a lot of horns, yelling, fireworks. So I would assume it means that they're winning. But